Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage dual SIM settings in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to manage your dual SIM, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for connections, tap on it, and then tap on SIM manager from here. And here you will get your both sims here that I have two sims. If you want to disable any sim, you can easily enable or disable it from here. As I'm going to disable, let's say this one, just tap on this to disable, just tap on turn off and the sim will be disabled just like that. If you want to enable again, just tap on it to enable it again. So from here you can easily change your preferred sim. If you want to change your sim for calls, just like that, just tap on it and here you can easily select your first sim or second sim or ask always. If you have selected ask always, so it will ask for you to make a call, and here's the messages. You can easily select the sim which you want and mobile data, and here's the data switching and backup calling. You must have to tap on it and here you can read description. Basically, yes, if you are using any SIM network and your SIM has receiving a call, so SIM data will be automatically turned off. So if you want to rec- use your data, you must have to enable the settings so it will automatically switch your SIM data to SIM 1 from SIM 2. So that's how you can easily manage your dual SIM settings in your Samsung A36 or the 56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.